Hello and welcome back to Gavin's Painting Tips. This is number 11. In this painting, I'm using a very limited palette of cadmium yellow, Payne's gray, ultramarine blue, cerulean blue, unbleached titanium, and a little bit of titanium white. To have more control over my still life, I created this cardboard cutout and laid a cloth in there so I can create shadows where I want them. I find it's pretty handy. If you want to get good at this, I would advise you to paint one of these a day for 2 weeks, or even better, 2 years. Thanks for joining me. I hope you got something out of this, and make sure you leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks.